Welcome to our lesson exploring Odoo Studio a bit more. In a separate course, we cover how with the help of Odoo Studio you can easily manage your views and also how you can eliminate fields in just a click. In this course, we will get a deeper insight on how we can use Odoo Studio. We will learn how to create new fields, how to create new relations fields, and last we will have a look at a debug mode. Let's start with creating new simple fields. To do this, we will access our database. In our sales application, we will access the form view of one of our customers. From here, we can directly activate the edit mode of Odoo Studio on the top right side. As soon as we do this on the left side, we have the opportunity to create new fields. We are going to add a text field, here right under the email field. What we have to do is simply select the text field and drag it into the right position. There you have it. No need to enter a field name or create an inherited view to insert the field. Everything is automated. To rename the label, we just have to select this view. We will call it private email. We can also add a tooltip which can be helpful for new users. For this example, we will add "This is not a work email." As a result, when the user will hover on the private email field, it will give the extra information we have just inserted. Let's close Studio and view the result. We can also see the tooltip we have added. Now we can enter an email and save it. Odoo Studio allows you to also insert a widget. In this case, this email, as an email widget, allows you to open your email client when clicking on it. Let's do the same for our new field. Going back into Studio, select the field and go to the widgets list. Let's take email. We close to view the result. As we can see, the widget has been activated and now we can open our email client. Let's go back to our Odoo Studio, and in the Sales and Purchase tab, in the MISC section, we are going to add a date field, select and drop it. It's as easy as that. As we already know, we can change the label. We will add the birth date, and the label will automatically update with the new name. Let's close Odoo Studio and access the Sales and Purchase tab and enter a date. Click Edit, enter a date. You have a very user-friendly calendar view. Click Save and you're done. Returning to the editing mode, we will add one last field type, the selection field. After you drop the field in the position that you want, you will be given the possibility to enter various values to select from. As you have noticed, no XML needed. Let's change the label name. We will call it Level. We will also enter a tooltip. We add "This is a client level." As you can see, the names are automatically changed. As soon as we're done, we close Odoo Studio and we can see the new field. Our next item is how to create new relations. Creating relations fields has always been tricky, but with Odoo Studio it has become much more user-friendly and easier. Let's go back to our database. For this section, we will access a product form view. Let's open Odoo Studio. Our first relation field will be a many-to-one field. We select the field and drop it in the position we want. As soon as we drop it, Odoo asks to link this field to an object. We'll choose, for example, the partner object and validate. Now you have the field created. When you click on it, the label changes to partner, the link we have selected. We will change the label name to linked partner. Let's close Odoo Studio and start using our new relation field. Click Edit and you can make your selection among the clients. Another interesting field is the one-to-many relation field. Now let's assume that we would like to have an overview of all the sales lines in which appears the specific product. Back in Odoo Studio, we will first create a new page. We will give it a name, Sales Order Lines. On this new page, we will add the one-to-many field and position it here. Immediately, Odoo requires that we choose a related field. By clicking on Search More, we have an overview on all objects that are linked through the ID field. This makes it easier to search for the right relation. For example, we would choose the Sales Order Line and confirm. You see here that our field has appeared in our new tab. We close Studio and see how we can use our new field. Let's look at a product. For example, let's take the iPad and open the Sales Order Lines tab. Note that the columns here are actually the default list view of that object. We will continue with one of the most difficult fields, the many-to-many relation field. First, we will create a new tab. We would like to be able to link one or more partners to this product. We will call it linked partners. We will insert the many-to-many field and link it to the partner object and confirm. We can now see the partner field has been added. We close Studio and see how we can use our new field. As a result, in our new tab, Linked Partners, we can now link this product to different partners. You can see that we are allowed to select multiple partners. After we select the desired partners, the names are immediately populated in our tab. Now let's see how you can link products to a partner form. On the partner form, we open Odoo Studio and we create a new page. We will call it Linked Product. On our new tab, we select the many-to-many field and link it to the product template object. We close Odoo Studio to see the result. As you can see, the link has been made automatically. So it's easy to create many-to-many relations without having to configure each field, as Odoo does it for you. To finish, we will take a look at the debug mode and the XML behind. Therefore, we need to return to our database and activate the developer mode. As you can see here, we have a new icon dedicated to developer tools. We access Odoo Studio and now we have new options. For example, when selecting a field, we have here the More button in the Properties tab. By clicking More, you get access to the field properties, which is actually a shortcut to the technical aspect of the field. You might be familiar with this part from our previous version. From the View tab, clicking the button More, you have access to the shortcut of the view itself. Here, you'll find the overview of all the fields that are linked to the partner view. Clicking on XML opens the XML editor, where you will find the overview of all views. Along with the standard view, you will also have the new view that we have created with Odoo Studio. All changes that we've made are centralized in here. Each change is related to an XPath. Of course, you can always make changes directly in the XML editor. In conclusion, Odoo Studio offers a wide array of exciting new features which enable you to easily change your views. Thank you for watching.